Hello, my name is Zen X. We're going to be talking about altered mindset practices. Altered mental states can be achieved in many ways. Mindsets fluctuate naturally, and external stimuli can provide more control. Substances like caffeine, nicotine, or alcohol have well known effects and, well known negative effects, while music can shift your mood, and meditation and mindfulness practices will offer a more targeted way to reach the desired mental state. Okay, let's talk about leveraging states of mind. Since we learn and recall based upon a specific state of mind, we can alter our response over time. For example, if someone associates coffee with work related anxiety, drinking that coffee in a relaxing situation could change that association. The same applies to naturally occurring states of mind. An anxious mindset triggers familiar, often unhelpful thought patterns. With motivation and effort, these patterns can be retrained. One way to manage this is to use a substance to change your state of mind when you start experiencing this problematic thinking. But just ensure that the altered state isn't worse than the original state. So let's consider a mindful use of substances. A common pitfall is using substances intended for short term relief in a chronic fashion. Medications like benzodiazepines, such as Xanax, can help with occasional anxiety, but have addictive properties that can create new problems when used regularly. Using substance in moderation and exploring less addictive alternatives may be beneficial. Ritualizing the use of some of them, like having an herbal tea to help with stress management, can be effective in a long term. Now, refined products like those found at a reputable shop, such as Neo Zen X, may offer ways to shift the mental state using less addictive herbal ingredients. However, the quality of the ingredients is extremely crucial, so make sure that you know who you are buying from. So, now as far as practical application, to improve your well being, choose an activity that you would like to enhance and associate a specific substance or practice with it. This supports the state induced learning. For example, brew chamomile tea before bed to help improve sleep, or try a product like Kanagami before an athletic event to observe how it might affect your performance. Monitoring and keeping track of your progress is essential when doing any altered mindset practices. Note this over time and make sure that you enjoy the journey of life.